In the movies of the 1950s, insects were often a threat to humankind.
But in reality, humans are using insects, namely cicadas, to advance technology in ways you can't even imagine.
Tiny robots and efficient micro-nozzles are now being inspired by the natural jetting ability of cicadas. That's what a team of engineers led by Assistant Professor Saad Bamla from Georgia Tech's School of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering are now studying.
During a field study in Peru, Bamla's team observed numerous cicadas up close, capturing the first ever field footage of their high-speed liquid launches. A rare glimpse into the fluid dynamics of cicada life given their elusive nature.
Beyond creating more effective small-scale hydraulic systems, their findings could revolutionize soft robotics, additive manufacturing, and even how we design drug delivery systems.